Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to buy fractional shares of a stock using Questrade. This is a feature I've been using a lot lately, especially when I don't want to commit a large amount of money up front. So when I open up Questrade, what I usually do first is head to the bottom left and tap on the Buy/Sell option. From there, I go up to the search bar and type in the stock I'm interested in. Now, one thing I've noticed is that fractional shares aren't available for every single stock just yet. But for example, if I search up Apple using the ticker AAPL, I can see in the top right corner that fractional is highlighted in blue. That's how I know I can buy a portion of a share instead of the full price. Once I've selected the stock, I tap on the Buy button. When the order screen loads, I make sure to switch the order type from limit to market order. For my experience, this is what allows me to enter a dollar amount instead of needing to buy whole shares. After that, I just enter how much I want to invest. It can be something small like $1 or a bit more depending on what I'm comfortable with. Questrade automatically converts that into a fractional quantity, which makes things super convenient. Overall, once you get the hang of it, it's actually a really easy way to start investing without needing a lot of capital right away. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.